Hello friends, welcome back. So today we're talking about a very funny ligament that's going on in this country. Do you divorce a marriage in Nigeria? Or do you just sign some funny legal divorce papers? No, you don't sign divorce papers, right? You don't sign divorce papers. It's not like an agreement where you have the assigner and the assignee and you sign and all that. No, you don't sign divorce papers. Right. So what are the kinds of marriage? First of all, now we have three kinds of marriages. We have the traditional marriage or customary marriage. We have the Islamic marriages. We have the marriage under the Act. Now, for traditional marriages, how to dissolve the traditional marriage is just basically refund back the bride price. Right. You call your kinsmen, or as the case may be, and both parties meet and just refund back the bride price. That's basically all you need to do under traditional or customary marriage. Now, for Islamic marriages, what you have to do basically is once the husband tells the wife, "I'm no longer interested, I let you go," and informs that's basically it. You don't have to basically have to go to court, principally, unless there are probably properties involved. Right. So now, for marriage under the Act, what do you have to do? Now, for marriage under the Act, we have the petitioner, we have the respondent. Right, so Section 15 of the Marriage Process Act stipulates in clear terms that to dissolve a marriage under the Act, that a marriage that was constituted in a licensed place of worship or as the case may be, that the marriage must have broken down irretrievably. Right, that is in clear terms the marriage don't scatter, I don't. Also, under such grounds, we have rare cases whereby the partner has refused or failed to consummate the marriage. Now, a marriage is less than 2 years. You can't dissolve such marriages under the Act, unless in special cases there are exceptions where you have to seek the leave of court or the partner has failed to consummate the marriage. Now, if there are kids involved, there are properties involved, you bring your exhibit, your evidence, and all that, to show proof of ownership and all. Now, let me give you a small scenario. So, I was involved in a marriage case for a while now, and the car was involved. So the petitioner, which is a man, registered the car in the name of his wife. He didn't buy the car in the name of his wife. It was a mere registration. And the case was held in that case in our favor. Mere registration does not amount to giving title. The fact that the car is registered in your name doesn't mean that the car is yours. As for cases like this, because these cases are sui generis, that is, they're in a class of their own. Right. So if you want the car to be in your name, the car should be bought in your name. That's the papers granting ownership or title should be in your name and not in the persons that bought the car. If it's just mere registration, then that car is not your car. You're just a licensee, and that car can be taken away from you anytime soon. Now, during this period of divorce, if the court is satisfied that this marriage is bound to fail, and after hearing and all that, the court will grant a decree nisi. Now, after some time, after some months, the court will not grant a decree absolute. Now, until the decree absolute is granted, people are still married. Right. So if you go outside and get married outside before the decree absolute is granted, they have committed bigamy, and that's an offense under the law in Nigeria. Now, I hope this video meets you well. Please like this video, share it to your loved ones, follow, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Thank you. Cheers.